news headlines. Foreign delegates call on Manipur Chief Minister. Winter session of Manipur Assembly to commence on December 20. NCM Biren displeased over frequent bomb blasts. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. I'm JESIA giving you news in details. Ambassador and High Commissioner of different countries along with their spouses who are here in the state capital to take part in Manipur Sangai Festival called on Chief Minister Sri N. Biren Singh at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. The Chief Minister welcomed the foreign delegates and exchanged pleasantries and gifts with them. He also expressed gratitude to them for visiting the state and wished them for a pleasant stay. The delegates also thanked the state government and people of Manipur for their wonderful hospitality. The visiting delegates also had a photo session with Chief Minister. The Ambassador and High Commissioner are from the countries of Brunei Darussalam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, DPR, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. The Manipur government will convene the winter session of Manipur Assembly on December 20, next official said. Meanwhile, the state government has reportedly appealed the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomi to withdraw its decision to boycott the Sangai Festival 2019, which begins from tomorrow. On the other hand, Union Home Minister Amit Saha has planned to meet leaders of Manipur civil society organizations tomorrow to discuss the pressing issue on Indo-Naga peace talk. Kokomi feels that the impending Indo-Naga peace pact could impinge upon Manipur's boundary and administrative structure. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today flagged off Sangai Run from Kuman Lampak Sports Complex, Imphal. The run is a curtain raiser of Sangai Festival. Several other dignitaries also attended the event. Speaking at the function, Chief Minister N. Biren informed that the DGP of Manipur Police has been directed to let all police officers take sole responsibility for any bomb blast incident that happens under his or her own jurisdiction. He was displeased over frequent bomb blast incident occurring in Imphal city.
City manungda tha ahum sida bomb mari rakpokhay army gi corps commander lai security gi review towe matam da man thammam language ma khak engonda sir ekhoina changba yadaba armed forces special power ek lokthok khiba jaga oibanina akhoi changaga interfere to busu yadre ado sumaina tawbuside akhoi kari tokjauge na hangi ai haifet khumba nungaita dana ai yam kan honari ai masigu mase thon dena bai aina appeal tongning badi Sangai festival mayaji natri bom pokai na matam leitrobra khangde mayam su Sangai festival gumba internationally focus pirakpa mayam lakpa dagi mission praja mayam haraun ba matam jinatri makoi bom je pokai na ba matam leitrobra khangde ngarang na handagi ai huji ekoi security intelligence aduga security officers sing kana gumba kari gumba ngi mafam da bom pokai ba natraga so pan asiana thokpa taragadi madugi area dugi police officers Maduda responsibility fixed on another and DG da WhatsApp group law and order gi lay Mother Kangangre intelligence ki aduga yam luri se khoi gi marakta mayamama sangjin ba yakshin bagi pot cho ko information leba aduna identify to boda matam khardi sangani adu koi soidin dingam.
The Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren also informed that Union Home Minister Amit Saha is meeting the leaders of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomi tomorrow at 10 p.m. in New Delhi to discuss the Indo-Naga peace talks and the final settlement. During the meeting, Saha is likely to clear the air surrounding the likelihood of threat against Manipur integrity by the peace deal. The Chief Minister also announced that the winter session of Manipur Assembly will commence on December 20 next.
CSOgi Kangbu Singsu Koi Unare, Adagi Union Home Minister Amit Shah Jinasu Hayengi Pungtara, Nungdangi Pungtara, the Unanagi appointment Pire, Yam Sinba, Maharashtra government formation gi, the Gizian Kegi Tauriba, the Satiskar gi election gi, Ya Ade Parliament session, Sigi Maraksida, knowing the importance of the Manipur state, Aduga Seso Singi public key, Lady Bug grievances to Kangbirakanda, Matam Pipire, Aduna Ngarang Ekwe, Nungdang. Koko migi silino mayam was koi cabinet minister single unna wari gotai sanare moida koi formal invitation su pigre moina su dum yaning magi haibadi moina only ahan bada hairam basi high kanogi home minister gi invitation la aba or either assembly gi haibani assembly su koi mandate kano dum kaugudo bolere winter session gi koi rumor tabi gano Manipur gi izat yongada Manipur gi kaibi yagada natragana Manipur da indigenous population mutki naba thawak tawada sarkar nate miyam nate akoi punna jointly haiba posi thengna raga sulai thengju thengnani akoi na sungam si thajabiyo center si akoi ge sabchana lepi raga back to lai aduga akoi mayam punna lepa matamda kanamtana state si da disturb to bongam aduna aigi earnest appeal ni mayam da Sangai si akoi Manipur gi pride ni akoi mayam gi izzat ni Bharat ki izzat ni amna mayam thopir aga phajana yawbiyu.
Meanwhile, a 19-member team of different civil society organizations of Manipur will leave Imphal for New Delhi to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah over the Indo-Naga talks, sources inform. As part of this week-long Sangai festival organized by Manipur Tourism Department, Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Syamkumar officially opened the festival at Kaibul Lamjau, the birthplace of Sangai, an endemic and endangered subspecies of brow-antlered deer found only in Manipur. Thanga MLA T. Robindro, Segmai MLA Haikam Dingo, Moirang MLA P. Sarachandra, Kumbi MLA S. Bira, Deputy Speaker K. Robindro Singh, and top officials of Forest Department attended the function.
Manipur, picture aga, Malayamda, Tai Madudi, Kogi Zagoi, Kogi Isay, Kogi Nat, culture, Sana Konaba, Amadi education, Hiram Kudimakta, Malengi, Sadamun Kayada, Malengi Erna Kayada, Malengi, Alien culture gi, platform Kayada, Nasi Manipuri Zati Singna, Tongan Pidama Tadana, people Singna, a Koyam put a leminaba, Lamdamasibu Satai. Lamdamasi Pazasi Matina, and Seko Sangai, Pese Matobangamiba, Malamas Kangi by Bagika.
As part of the Manipur Sangai Festival, Thanga Constituency MLA T. Robindro and Oinam Constituency MLA Radhakeshwar jointly flagged off a 21-kilometer-long Sangai Run 2019 Manipur from Sendra of Bishnupur district today. The Sangai Run was kicked off from two separate locations of the state as a curtain raiser of the Manipur Sangai Festival 2019. Altogether, 215 individuals took part in the run. Now it's time for a short break. Coming up next, we have news on. Two-day meeting of National Executive Committee concludes at Manipur University.
SS Enterprises ta miyam gidamak laizare makhal makha kyagi sound, lights, teas amadi tent house ki polam sing makhal khuding makki light amadi luhong khongdong bagi polam sing gidamak 10% discount pijari. Pomarol Gidama contact Tobiu SS Enterprises Kiamgai Khoirom Laikai near Youth Social Club. Contact number 8837218002.
Young what?
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo Kong Rebalance.
Soktabadu Kong Rebalance.
Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awat pa mekatuna. Adongi haksang bu tagat tik na thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Welcome back after the break. The two-day meeting of National Executive Committee organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union and Mass Communication Department of Manipur University wrap up today at the Hall of Manipur Institute of Management located at Manipur University, Kanchipur. President of IGU, Gitartha Pathak, spoke about various problems faced by Indian journalists and measures to solve them. Gitartha also underlined the need for empowering women journalists so as to bring gender equality in the field of journalism.
In these circumstances, we are facing so many problems. Attacks on journalists also increasing, and there are many other issues like this surveillance on journalists. So the Indian government, it has been reported in the news channels that they have bought some spyware from Israel, Pegasus spyware, that has been installed in the few journalists who criticize the government. These are the issues. This is one of the examples I am telling you. So all these issues, media issues, are being discussed in our meeting.
President in charge of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC T. Mangibabu today hit back at the Manipur unit of BJP over the recent allegations leveled against PCC over meddling with the Naga Framework Agreement. Mangibabu told media person at Congress Bhavan Imphal that accusation was uncalled for. He said the Congress party will always condemn the Naga Framework Agreement and Citizenship Bill.
Marakta tungana ko budubuni matam kuina gamen paru da matam duda makhoi gi yelho mi hai tare BJP gi hanagi ariba kon kanodagi hogjarakpa janal sangdagi kaidi ga horakpa kambu singa duna adum office sanga ga torga dum lakse ngasi di moi ju foreigner ni mayam changkheli che foreigner mayam changkhelaga masida or pass hadna BJP gi toriba singa che masi asigum nate Congress ti gamen paigi payu pairoi to miyam gi seba da khoi di adum changchangani aduna hojik lai ribe issue khwai gi maru be issue di hojik ki peace talk ne CFB ani che khoi da di yam lurba adum ba issue amani hariba asum bi issue sidabu moina hari sibu Congress se tummaga leithu Congress na masida thawa sade bi da leithu aduga je Congress te karim ta tok da ba adum party ni
It's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets karayenge.
Sure, ma'am. Shigi seti anu yorokuni, ma'am. Kimbi.
Je. Sisam phazadro.
Mobile furniture and wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chao pijari.
Booking
Welcome back after the break. The Jomi Council JESIA and its frontal organization will organize a peace rally tomorrow to push for acceleration of the talks between the government of India and Kuki militant group UPF-KNO, now under suspension of operation, involving the Centre and Manipur government. This was announced by Jomi Council during a press meet at VPC Hall Battle Vang yesterday. The proposed rally will kick off from Tang Nuam Public Ground and march through Tidim Road and Tipaimuk Road before culminating at Lamka Public Ground. The council said the rally is being organized in support of the demand of Territorial Council by UPF-KNO. All Manipur Students' Union MSU today felicitated all victorious candidates of the recently held elections of higher secondary schools and colleges for the session 2019-20. The program was held at MSU headquarters Imphal. President in charge of MSU, Laishram Athoba, former Finance Secretary MSU headquarters, Tongbram Premita, and Secretary General of Northeast Students Organization NESO, Sinam Prakash, were present at the occasion. The 5th Orphan Convention was held today at the Minority Orphan and Backward Students Target Academy of Hayel Labuk of Thoubal District. The event was jointly organized by Organization for Orphans and Backward People for Orphans Manipur and 26 Assam Rifles Khongjom. As a part of the event, excellent students who did well at the state and national level competitions were felicitated, and 28 orphans of Hayel Labuk village were also presented with simple gifts. Director of Manipur Creative School, Kwakta, MD Nasir Khan, Mazar Munir Ahmed of 26 Assam Rifles, Khongjom and several others were present on the occasion. Editor of Impact TV, a local news channel, Raj Nongthongbam has bagged the Seram Mangi Singh Memorial Award 2019. The award was handed over to Raj Nongthongbam during a simple ceremony held in connection with the 7th anniversary of Seram Mangi, organized by Seram Mangi Foundation at Ibudhau Marjing Kubam located at Hinga. Talking at the event, Secretary of the Foundation Seram Neken said that every year the foundation gives award to individuals in recognition of their distinguished service in their respective fields. In connection with World Diabetes Day, a one-day free diabetes detection camp was jointly conducted by Lions Club and Leo Club of Thoubal in collaboration with Glenmark, ALKFM and Biocon today at 5 different venues of Thoubal Bazaar. Altogether, 457 individuals were given free diabetes tests. Talking to journalists, District Chairperson of Health Camp, Lions Club International District 322D, Dr. Renu expressed concern over the present rapid increase of diabetes patients across the globe.
World Diabetes Day Thabak Silaba, Dukandar Mayamsi, Napagi, MD, Pritivida, diabetes Masing Handahanba, Amasung, Nasi Novo Nomagi, Oina diabetes, million in the Nakalabi Bashina Maramuraga, competitions, Mayam Dorga, Laitaba, Shima Mayam Priestly Phone, Danaba, Lions Club, Azova Hadamas,
The left party in Manipur, viz. RSP, CPIM, CPI and AIFB, expressed the deep grief and sorrow at the unexpected death of Comrade Christy Goswami, General Secretary of the Revolutionary Socialist Party at Apollo Hospital, Chennai today morning, where he was undergoing treatment. Comrade Christy Goswami was a cabinet minister with different portfolios under the chief ministership of Jyoti Basu and Buddhadev Bhattacharjee in the left front government of West Bengal. Comrade Goswami visited Manipur many times for his party's organizational works and assembly election campaigns for the left parties, particularly for RSP candidates. His loss leaves a void not only for the RSP but for the left parties and the left movement in the country, the left party said in a press note. The meeting conveys deep condolences to Christy Goswami, family and all comrades of RSP. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
My school is a quality-based English school. It has very competent teachers. They are highly qualified. The principal of my school is a strict disciplinarian. He teaches a student in higher classes. Hey, ma, isa the IPS ki boarding the leader of the English ki command so phajna le rahe, lyrics you am here, personality, talent so phajna le rahe na. To speak English is compulsory at a school and boarding. I have the habit of speaking English all the time.
Adom ki angang singbo Kanchipu the IPS Hybrid Impal Public Higher Secondary School the Ming Chanbio Loinan Apapa Bahiroi Bayanbio.
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal, near Manipur University First Gate. Admission opens from pre-nursery to class 9, both school and boarding. IPS, top choice for your child's career.
Iramdam da fangba polam singna iramdam asimakta da sajaba kangla gi polam sing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyam gi damak leizare leima kabok loinana luhong bagi yakhanaba discount su izari akupa marol gi damak contact obiu 8131877217 natraga 9612056941
kangla kabok chabiu yamna hawbani
kangla leima kabok.
Welcome back after the break. The 7th PICON National Annual Conference organized by Pediatric Association of India, PI, came to an end today at Classic Hotel, North AOC, Imphal. The closing event was participated by several delegates from all over India. At the event, Chairman of the Organizing Committee of Dr. Shyam Kumar expressed concern over the increasing unhealthy dependence on antibiotics by people. He therefore urged the general public to take antibiotics only on doctor's prescription.
National level tuberculosis the Khangairaba TB Haita Rishamsana degi Angang Singi Mahik Matai Changbagi neonatal infection Adava Sahi Mai Makai Mahik Matai Changba Sahi Magi Matungi Sigmam Jako Yam Kupna Nainaraga Yarin Kai antibiotics Sumna Sinanaba Miam Pumba Honaba Nasinataba Kudaktagi Hojuktagi Akone antibiotics Sumna Sinanaba Mapam Sana Chang Naina Sinaba Heta Lairaga Sadana Sinaina Miamda Tamzani.
Thangweiban residents today held a sit-in protest to condemn the bomb blast that took place inside the campus of Thangweiban Improvement Club, TIC, on November 22nd last. Talking to reporters on the sidelines of the protest, President of TIC, Ngangom Tejkumar, condemned the act of attacking a local club and urged those who were involved in the incident to clarify it. He also expressed displeasure over the presence of a CRPF post inside the local club compound.
Club amagi campus ta bomb na khilaga thugai be besi yam nungai taba adugumnaba thabak ni tawroidaba thawong ni atauba crime ni aduna masida mari leinaba bomb langchiliba kangbur sing aduna thauna phana makhoina ni haina claim tawbibaga loinana kari marang gi damakta Thangweiban Improvement Club ki compound da bomb langhen biribino haibadu chengdok pirakadabani amoromda security personnel singsina club ki ayab yaudna compound leishalaga maduda tholoka matamda khudong thiba thoka matamda aikoi club ki thaumi maya mara leitna phajin biba yai adugi damakta laikai sig imaibel ahlaman khudimak tholktana asugumba thawong crime bomb blast ki thabak che naharul gi tawrmaga chumadu tawbiganu police ki magai degi army ki magai degi suidna pokhai bor chumadu tawbiganu haidana koina condemn to win nungai taba wakat mi phamase thamjabane.
A team of Jiribam District Police and Commando Unit today removed unauthorized bamboo bridges built over Jiri River section at Sorok Atingbi Kuno and Kuningteg of Jiribam District as a precautionary measures to check entry of illegal migrants into the state and also to avoid unwanted activities in the area. Bioflok technology BFT is one of the best methods for fish farming, being an innovative and cost-effective method in which toxic materials to the fish and shellfish such as nitrite, and ammonia can be converted to useful products. Thus, feed requirement is about 30% less than normal pond fish production. Shillong-based Nehu Biomedical Engineering Department Associate Professor Dr. Dinesh Bhatia said that people can adopt aquaculture now in their backyard without having a traditional pond, while fish can be cultivated inside a temperature-controlled greenhouse in cold areas. Its production cost is 30 to 40% less compared to conventional pond culture because of less labor-intensive, reduced wastage and better food conversion ratio. Dr. Bhatia added that a BFT project is being introduced in Meghalaya by a local entrepreneur, Shamnia and Sangma. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu received the Most Improved Small State Award in terms of infrastructure, law and order, and education. According to media reports, the award is instituted by country's leading media organization, India Today, at its 18th edition of the State of the States conclave in New Delhi. Khandu received the award from Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Prakash Javadkar. Now we have the sports news. The Badminton Association of Joretang, BAJ, on Saturday announced that it would organize the second edition of Joretang Premier Badminton League, JPBL, in South Sikkim in January next. A media report said that JPBL is the first ever franchise-based sporting event in the state, started by BAJ last year at Joretang in South Sikkim. After getting an encouraging response from the first edition of JPBL, BAJ has now geared up to organize JPBL 2 in a grand and big way. The event has been supported by the sports wing and Labour Front of ruling Sikkim Krantikari Morcha. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Foreign delegates called on Manipur Chief Minister. Winter session of Manipur Assembly to commence on December 20. And Chief Minister Biren displeased over frequent bomb blasts. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.